Hey everyone! Today, I've got a helpful tutorial to show you how to set up an instant reply for your Facebook page messages. Let's dive right in. First, head over to business.facebook.com or access your Facebook business page. On the left-hand side, you'll find Meta Business Suite. Click on it to access the suite for your specific Facebook page. Once you're in the Meta Business Suite account, navigate to the Inbox section on the left. Here, you'll find all your Facebook Messenger, messages, Instagram messages, and comments from both platforms. To set up an instant reply for Facebook Messenger messages, click on Automations. You'll see some suggested pre-made instant reply templates, but you can also create your own by clicking on Create Automation and selecting Instant Reply from the list. Click on Edit Automation to customize your instant reply. You'll see options to turn on the instant reply for Facebook page messages. If you also want to set up the same instant reply for your Instagram account, make sure to add the Instagram account to your Meta Business Suite. Choose Messenger and customize the instant reply message according to your preferences. You can use the pre-made template or write your own message. You can even personalize the message by adding the recipient's first name using the recipient tag. Once you're satisfied with your customized instant reply message, click on Save Changes. Now, whenever someone messages your Facebook page, they'll receive an instant reply without you having to do anything. That's all there is to it. I hope you found this tutorial helpful for setting up instant replies in Meta Business Suite for your Facebook page and Instagram business account. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. Thanks for watching.